To prepare mutton meatballs fry recipe, let's begin noting down the ingredients. So first we require half kg of minced mutton meat, or what we call ground meat, and over here we require 3 teaspoons of Bengal gram. Here Bengal gram acts as a binding agent, 1 egg, and over here we require finely chopped 12 garlic flakes and 2-inch ginger, handful of finely chopped coriander, 3 finely chopped green chilies, handful of finely chopped pudina, handful of finely chopped curry leaves, and over here we require few minimal spices. Let's see what are the spices. 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and salt as per requirement. Now first add Bengal gram into the blender, and now we need to make a fine powder of it. Now to this add finely chopped ginger and garlic. To this goes finely chopped coriander. To this goes finely chopped pudina. To this goes finely chopped green chilies. Now to this goes red chili powder, jeera powder, pepper powder, turmeric powder, and salt as per the requirement. And now to this goes 1 egg. Now, before the meat goes into the blender, let's give a quick spin and blend all the ingredients. We have coarse blended all the ingredients, and now goes the meat. And now, next step, mix it all together nice and thoroughly. Now put on the lid and blend the meat with the masala all together nice and thoroughly. Now add the blended mutton meat into the plate. And now to this I am going to add the finely chopped curry leaves for the just nice taste and flavor. And now I am going to knead it nice and thoroughly to form a dough, and then I am going to make round shaped dumplings to make meatballs. Once a dough is formed, now I am going to make a small round shaped dumplings to make a meatball. Now I am going to apply little bit of oil on my palm, both the palms, and now I am going to take a small portion of the mutton meat like this, and I am going to make it a round shape. So just apply light pressure like this, and then make a round shaped meatball. And yeah folks, as you can see over here, I have applied bit of pressure. There are no loose ends, and now this meatball is secure in the oil. And now let's make meatball with the rest of the meat. Now on medium flame, I am going to place the meatballs. Once you are done placing the meatballs in the oil, don't put the spoon right away, and you might end up breaking the meatballs. So wait for 3 minutes, let it start hardening up, or what we call let it start forming the crust, and then you can flip it up. So folks, it's been around 3 minutes, and as you can see over here, it has already started forming the crust on its outer surface. And now with the help of the spoon, flip it up nice and slowly, and now let it fry for 3 more minutes. Now once the meatballs are nice and brown, transfer it to the plate.